Hi, this is Kevin Cook. Thanks for coming back to Heavy Construction Equipment Podcast. In this episode, we're going to talk about insuring your heavy equipment. It is a need and its benefits. And again, this episode has been sponsored by me. Are you looking for good, used, quality equipment? Then come to our website at www.startractor.com. All right, here we go into the podcast. Whenever we purchase expensive thing or item, we always think of insuring it so that when there is a crisis situation, you do not have to pay a lump sum of money that has to have the product repaired. Just make sure you got the right insurance instead of always buying the insurance. When it comes to heavy equipment you buy, this rule equally applicable. However, many heavy equipment owners do not consider the importance of insuring the heavy equipment. Always insure equipment. You never know when something's going to fail, someone steal it, You have to insure it. Reason is to insure your heavy equipment. Here are some of the many reasons why you should be insuring your heavy equipment. Whenever you run a business that requires heavy equipment frequently, or if you own one or two of the machines personally for your own requirements, you need to consider insuring it. Number one, peace of mind. This is common sense. It makes you sleep better at night, knowing that piece of equipment is taken care of. The first thing that needs to be reminded that heavy equipment does not come for a cheap price. Remember that. They are expensive and they are always in demand in the market. So there is always possibility that heavy equipment that you own might get stolen, like I was saying. This is a headache that might take away your peace of mind. Hence, insuring it is a must. If you have the heavy equipment and its very valuable parts insured, it will give you the peace of mind even if the equipment or its parts are stolen. You will not have to worry about your financial losses. Next, damage control. Just like any equipment or any vehicle, when you're using your heavy equipment, there is always the chance that the equipment damages some other property or thing. In that case, you might have to pay a huge amount of money to the other party as you are the owner of that heavy equipment. If you have the equipment insured, it will help you pay for the damages that have been caused to the other party. By the use of your heavy equipment, it's going to happen. Since this is a huge amount, it will give you the great comfort to have property insured. And finally, things to keep in mind while choosing heavy equipment insurance. Choosing the right equipment insurance is very important. It helps you stay covered and protected at all times. The factors that you need to keep in mind while choosing the insurance are the amount of the premium that you have to pay to make sure that it is comfortable to your budget and you do not have to worry about its frequency. Next, the process should be fast and it must not waste a lot of time. And lastly, a good insurance company will not be too demanding. There should be clear rules and regulations regarding the paperwork. Those are simple rules. If you are comfortable with all those factors, you should be ensured that the insurance company is good. There are many companies that function online and can give you peace of mind. You can always ask a professional to guide you about the choice of the right insurance company for the heavy equipment. Just make sure you are with a trusted one. Again, go to your peers. Go to your competition. Post on social media. Ask what everybody else is using. Find out. And find out from there who they're insured with. And again, if you got any questions, give me a jingle. 817-733-3799. Thank you, and God bless.